wakwaba midi ede adwoa search new mesro na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell no so for more news. Marie amwakwa buedu ofi NPP eko NDC ma sisi ose oba back to NPP no sisi the agency asay adweno crazy. But of course, Maria Mwakwa Buedu Eyobia, personally, I just love her. I just love her. Oye, Obabia, Utumuze, Okasa, Sebio, Nyansa wo. What I say? Now, Maria Mwakwa Buedu, and political zone, Felix Apio Moko. Same crofum me news in Yam Crofam Pomase. Into Felix, a patcho said, Maria is Wababaka, let's accept her. Let me be a soldier. And just as some America keke. Now, Marie Boyd, you see about back to NPP, you know. What in case say? Why send a message? Akuma Kelvin Taylor say. Ghana for yenye Jimmy for and a Kelvin Taylor force yenye atuaba masebio. Where the mean to me can me play audio na wankasa weti. It sounds a mean to me can read the link no me play nsema Maria Mwakwa Boyd na kasa kan. No bia ko kasa me na maka asem ni modu. Yentie ensema Maria Mwakwa Boedu ekan
e ho na be won say MPP for omunye joke next year nyame ya adomo a na se beto yen a na ka say MPP beje mu dia ma NDC for eno na branya champion ka kire mo no dabi enipa bi no mote se wo ya Kelvin Taylor ya be kire wo smoothness level next year me na masa akwa MPP no we will show you your smoothness level. No, we will show you your smoothness level next year. Yeah, Bema will feel it this small. This small.
But see, if somebody's in the NDC thinking I am here because of John Mahama, go and tell John Mahama that I think he is thinking stupid. Yes.
And I agree with you. I agree with you. Sabio, if he wasn't thinking stupid, he wouldn't be on a campaign trail. No, he said he's already lost and he's still wasting his time.
I'm telling you people. So don't catch a John Mahama. Let me tell you, John Mahama and the NDC. It is not about you, John Mahama. Let me tell you what we are dealing with today. What we are dealing with today.
What we are dealing with. Specific. Ukrausu yenipa. Ukasa ubinti.
How about NDC? You can call your Mahama and ask him. And if John Mahama thinks I'm sitting here because of him, he is thinking stupidly. I am telling you for a fact. So if somebody in the NDC thinks I'm on this platform because of him, then that person is a fool.
Yeah, when we are fools. No, this is what we've been telling the NDC for the longest time. So they are fools. You said it. We are just reaffirming it. They are who wakano and they are reaffirming. And to NDC ni na uba. Now you catch it say you're a fool. And I said John Mahama is stupid. And we don't want a stupid person for a president. Kelvin Taylor said so. No, it is only because Kelvin Taylor said so. Me many bring and they say, I don't want a stupid person to be leading Ghana. Now, how stupid can you be to try and impose a stupid person on Ghana? No, Kelvin Taylor. How stupid can you be to try and impose a stupid leader on Ghanaians? A stupid leader who took Ghana to doom so. A stupid leader will try 3/4 of Ghana bauxite in man government official one Airbus. Et me the phone, Emma said, "Yenu about Tracy Bush." No disrespect to Tracy. Et me kukuru the phone, Dema Tracy name Bell. Emma woman handle the phone. Such a high risk, eh? What is the difference between him and President Akufo-Addo, who also puts Sewa Bruni on the presidential flight without checks? See, how stupid can you be? To Ghana, no, do you see how stupid you sound right now? Do you see how stupid you sound? These are your words, not mine. Meme words, and I stand by mine. Can you be bold enough to stand by yours? United Kingdom. My name is Marie Amwapa Boeju. Means that I am fighting for President Mahama to become president. So be it. Bebre no na krana na omoka say President Akufo-Addo ought to be president. President Akufo-Addo be president, and it will be a disaster. And today we have all seen it. Well, the biggest mistake you people will make.
Adofo ensema Marie Amwapa Boedu akanen kakum ya jino kwaku enu. Me de sawa de mintumi ka amampende da John Draman ma ma opini. Nti Marie na waka na sema waka. Na Marie kire say o man pani da John Dramani Mahama ba na osanso aba ne yehu ade papa bi oba beje campaign to a wona ma wo kwe wonam na wo to ayampia e na free SHS form of Fred no wo di kra wo fie kra man kra wo ndi e na wo sre NPP fo chese enya sam keto akra e na Maria ma kwabo edu chese Kelvin Taylor na nkasa wo campaign dia man pani da John Dramani Mahama ne sabio ni IQ no e hu wo fault e hu ni fault an kan wo be force yenga na fo say o man pani a we bebu a membu na ankoye ni kan sanso kofa ne mbra maba Marie so ntiase enti Marie no no kire se wasanso ababa to NPP ya the other NPP na do man pani his excellency 2022 no kwade 2020 year to aba no kwade sa ninki to me ne afa no be na kese mi so oni munyam mi so nkunimdie efisa afa we de Marie na fe nyasem keto akwa nti ensema Maria Makwabo Edu aka e de atre Kelvin Taylor so kan che ne master se Ghana fo se bi enjimi ya to aba ya to aba e de ama ensem na Maria de atuya
wasem kan onyame onka bi mawo se wo hu ntokwa ko a onyame onku bi mawo jabibia ama ne te se de awawa ka se the battle is the Lord's and am share mu ni na bo page yi so say one year one to omano de ese na na do danko Akufo-Addo so ne ba omi aso omu di omatam ni nara the day of reckoning will come me ka kire mo say ebre bi beba Chairman Drew, I wish we did this show together because I had Yanka Bebem. Ebre bi beba the soldiers you raise today will be the army that will conquer you enti aduabana endi simu gunumungu ni ye social media for ayeko na sebe group ni na bad time so koto aba etiosu wo Stevlin enye se emema na ekoto aba o we yesi women organizer for women organizer keko ye man na sebe ka wo mu na ebe kika na de yakọ yesi anabisi wetuo hihye no nufu hu ni na na ode nam ho wo ko ni na oba rambo say do person challenge eyi ha wakum sinti do yeso okura double silencer man fa mame a ade no mese no anabisi the same cromfo na ye kwaji $6 million man say on farmer poultry farmers are wajidi ye no wokoto mpakoma hospital fo a wokoje here because ya to abeti and the same anabisi unti and etuo kaka